Hi guys, look at this dish. It looks like absolutely delicious, isn't it? So then, shall we make this curry today? Then hang on with me to see how I cooked it. Let's go for the recipe. I took here washed 5 mangoes and cut off the stem part of the mangoes like this. Then cut into pieces of all the mangoes as you see here. Now I am going to make my roasted spice mix. So I did here 1 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of curry powder and 1 teaspoons of black pepper powder. I roast them under very low flame until they roast. I took here 1 big onion, 2 red peppercorns and 3 cloves of garlic and chopped them. Clay pot is heated now. I add some coconut oil. When the oil is heated, I add all the chopped spices here. Add some curry leaves also. Mix it. We need to cook 1 to 1.5 minutes until the onion is tender. So let's cook the onion. At this moment I can feel a nice flavor of garlic and onion and curry leaves. Add some salt. At this moment I add my roasted spice mix. Mix all together now. Guys, see the color of the spice mixture? It looks super spicy, isn't it? And now I add mangoes. After adding the mango, we need to mix them properly until all the spices apply each mango piece. Guys, keep remember the spicy level, salt and the sweetness, it's all up to you. If you wish to have a very spicy dish, then you can add more spices. More chili powder or black pepper powder. Remember to keep the flame under medium low heat at this moment. Otherwise the spices will burn. Then it will get a bitter taste. Now I am going to add some sugar. I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Some turmeric powder too. Mix again all together until the sugar is dissolved. Now add 1 cup of water. Now mix again all together. Now you can turn the flame up. Guys, did you notice a crazy habit of mine? When I cook something, I wanna stir it like continuously. It's so crazy, isn't it? And I don't like move away even for a moment. And also when I cook something, I wanna do it myself only. I don't need anyone to accompany me. Let's go to the recipe, guys. Added some fenugreek seeds. Stir again few more seconds. Cover it with the lid and let it cook a few more minutes. Let's see how it is now. Look at this, guys. Looks delicious. I think it should be cooked a few more minutes. Then let's cover again and let it cook. Hope it is done now. Come to the closer, guys. See? Wow, superb. The color and the texture. See? Wow. It's a blend of tangy, sweet and spicy. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Stay tuned. I'll come with a new video. Keep safe, guys. Bye.